All right, guys, so this is part 2. There's only one more thing left, and we got to go ahead and figure out, well, what do I do if I have 2 standard form equations? Well, it's the same thing as if you only had 1. We go ahead and have to change each of these equations into slope-intercept. So this top one, subtract x from both sides, and I get negative y equals 6 minus x. And then I get y equals negative 6 plus x. On the other one, I would subtract 2x from both sides, and I'm going to get y equals 3 minus 2x. On that first one, my y-intercept is negative 6. My slope is 1. And then on the opposite end, I have a y-intercept at 3. My slope is negative 2. I see my solution is right there at 1, negative 5. Now, if you're wondering, well, Ms. Bernard, how can I check this? You can still check it the same way that we checked the other one by putting your coordinate back in. So in this first one, we would see that 1 minus negative 5 does equal 6. And then 2 times 1 plus negative 5 does end up equaling positive 3. So that's our way to double check our solution. All right, now you guys pause the video and you guys try this. All right, so let's go ahead and let's check to see if we did this correctly. I would subtract 6x at the start, so I would have 2y equals 10 minus 6x, divide everything by 2, and I'm going to get y equals 5 minus 3x. So my slope is negative 3. My y-intercept is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. And that's it. Okay, on the opposite end, I would still need to solve this one. Minus 5x. Both sides, I get negative y equals 3 minus 5x. Divide by negative, and I get y equals negative 3 plus 5x. So negative 3 is my y-intercept. And I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1. Right there is where my 2 lines overlap. So that coordinate is 1, 2. All right, guys, so that is the gist of how to go ahead and solve systems by graphing. There is no check for understanding for today. There will be one tomorrow. Tomorrow's will just be a lot of practicing this, okay? So that's what you're going to see tomorrow. Today, what I want you to focus on, now that you have the notes, go check to see if you're missing any work, okay? But check to see if you have any missing work, if you need to do a retest, if you need to do anything to get your grade up, if you need to do the extra credit, whatever it is. Email me if you have any questions.